What is the universe made up of? I'm here to explain you that. Our universe is made up of so many fascinating things. But what exactly is it made up of? We know that the universe consists of elements like hydrogen, helium, which is shown in the periodic table of elements, and they in turn are made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons, and protons and neutrons are made up of quarks, which leads us to the standard model of elementary particles. Here, there are particles that are even tinier than elements, and also there are elements that govern there are particles that govern the forces. So, there is something even more interesting that can there be something more smaller than these things? And of course, there's something known as strings. Strings are some strands or something that vibrate in free space, and each unique vibration gives rise to a different element. So strings is very complicated, and I am here to make it simple. Strings are of Planck length, which is also considered the smallest length. They are approximately around Planck length as predicted. Planck length is 10 raised to minus 35 meters. Strings are also one-dimensional, but they pass through many dimensions, even beyond 3 dimensions. We cannot imagine such dimensions. That is a lot of dimensions. Now, string theory explains as quantum gravity. Quantum gravity is something where effects of quantum mechanics cannot be ignored. And big things and small things don't go together, and quantum is the study of small things, so it makes it even complicated. String theory, now, as I explained, it has more dimensions. When you go further away from an object, it looks like it becomes into one dimension. Similar is the case with strings. When you go smaller and smaller, you see more dimensions. Now, string theory there are many of them. Bosonic string theory is the old one, which states that there are 26 dimensions, and M theory, maybe mystery theory or master theory or whatever you want to call it, has 11 dimensions. And is the current one. It's made out of 5 theories. As you can see the diagram, which results in an 11-dimensional supergravity, which is at the top. Now, why string theory? It takes you before the Big Bang. It proposes idea of multiverse and can solve literally any mystery of the universe, and hence making theory of everything. Thank you, and hope you learned something from this video. See you next time.